Good evening. Today is Friday, September 18th, 2 days before the 20th of September 2015, which we're talking about. I don't think there's much to see tonight, but I think I'll just mention this. Um, no lighting. Very much. It's very dark now. Yeah, it's cloudy, overcast, very humid, and apparently we're supposed to get hit by an asteroid in Florida on the 20th, according to William Mount and others. I'm not sure of that, but if it does happen, it happens. And are you prepared for eternity right now? Well, there's only one way to prepare for eternity, and to know that you are loved. And once you are that, there's nothing else you can fear. Fear is the destruction of the soul. And if you want to live forever, as we are already infinite, you'll know that. All you need to remember is that. Right to those trees that are like Cassiopeia. I don't know if it is. The twins. They just, hello. Yeah. They're just sitting at my feet. Oh, tickling my toes. I'm going through my legs as I walk down the stairs. And Zoe is here. Zoe. Doing her last bit for the evening. And it's probably around 8:30 p.m. Walking in tall grass. There's a lot of frogs, so I have to be careful. So let's go to the washroom? Okay, wanna go upstairs now? Okay. Here you go. Maybe I'll do grass ASMR tomorrow. Wet grass ASMR. Leslie, oh. I'm stuck on the couch, is that it? Okay, okay. Over here. I'm back in the house. Doo-doo.